Go ahead, Dwayne.
I'm Dr. Ron Weiss here at Ethos Farm, and with me is our farm manager, Nora. I thought we'd talk a little bit about farm days and what it means from the standpoint of a farmer. Can you tell us about it?
Sure. Well, we're an organic regenerative farm, and at Farm Days we'll be talking about what that means, what farming practices we use, and why they're so important. At Ethos, we understand that we are part of an ecosystem, so we work to support and restore that ecosystem through our farming practices. At Farm Days, we'll explore why farms like this are needed all across the country and all across the world, and how they can be a driving force in addressing our biggest issues like climate change and restoring our environment, restoring the health of our communities and even ourselves.
And who'd think, right here in the Garden State, right? Well, I am going to be there for sure.
I'll see you there.
Okay.